Okay, so let's open this big package. This one is another package from eBay. Order from eBay, came from China. It took 20 days to get here. This is a universal exhaust pipe for the bike. This will fit most sport bikes or even scooters. They want to change the look of it or the sound. I paid for this one. I don't really remember. I believe it was, I think, $38 with free shipping and handling to the US. And just want to change the look of the bike because the one that it has right now, it's a big ass whole exhaust pipe and it's all chrome, so I don't like chrome. Just gonna remove that. This one is a shorty, so let's open it and see what's the item look like. So has a lot of tape. Hopefully it looks nice. And the pictures from eBay, they look really nice, but hopefully this is the hardware. This is the regular box. Put on the side. Wrap with bubble wrap. A lot. Oh, that's nice. Actually, looks better than what I expected. This is the SC Project MotoGP exhaust technology. Wow. And this is, I don't know if you can see. It says SC Project CR7 for racing use only. Anyways, I think this is a knockoff from the original company. I don't know who built them, but I seen this type of exhaust. They look the same, but really expensive. Instead of being steel, the original ones, they're titanium. So this one has the look of titanium, but they're not. As you can see, it looks really nice. It doesn't look that cheap at all. And especially it's gonna change the look of the bike. I like the blue accent on the tip, like it looks like burnt, like titanium does. And this one, I think this is plastic. No, this is, wow, this aluminum, and I think painted or powder coated. But yeah, it's a slash cut from the side. So if you put it like this on the bike, I think this one will fit many R6 models and probably Gixxers. They're gonna look nice, especially because it has the hanger. So imagine if you put it like on the side, it will look really nice. But I'm quite impressed by this exhaust. It looks nice, doesn't look that cheap. And let's go with the hardware. This came with the bag. I believe this is a tip, so you can put it on a smaller CC bike. Like for example, you put it in here. This is the adapter. I believe this goes right here, and then this is for your your 300 or 250 cc motorbike. You weld this on your pipe, then just install the pipe itself like that. It's kind of heavy at the end, but you can see it's made of like a pipe, regular how do you say, those pipes they sell in the muffler shops. But oh well. And also has some different brackets with the hanger, the little ears if you want to weld them on your exhaust pipe or even on this one like that, so you can put the hooks. And comes with two the spring hooks so you can secure it, and the bolt for the bracket itself. So actually on this one I'm kind of impressed. I think it's a really good buy. It looks nice, it doesn't look ugly and cheap, and I think when it's on the bike it's gonna look really nice. I think the sound is gonna sound really mean and loud, but hopefully and it's all done. The bike looks good, clean, and make it look more like a sport bike and not like a sport touring bike. So if you guys want the link, let me know. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Give it a thumbs up, a like. And if you like my videos and all that stuff, subscribe and share. And if you need any help, let me know. I'll do the best as I can. So see you in the next one.